This screen contains settings options allowing you to change how a serving is created. I will briefly describe each option. Because this application is constantly going through refinement and additions, the screen may look a little different than yours. Also, because different machines, such as soft serve, shake, FCB, have different options, the type of machine you have specified in the Equipment Setup Wizard will determine which settings are available here. The first setting you will see is the Dispense Time per Selection in Seconds setting. Because our machines can dispense various flavors in one serving, you need to specify how long you want each flavor to dispense before it changes to the next serving. For faster dispensing product, shorter times may be necessary. Slowly dispensing product require longer times. The second setting or group of settings that you will see is the Enable Timed Servings. If you want to limit the overall dispense time of a flavor burst product, you should turn this setting on. By doing so, you will be able to select various serving types, such as waffle cone, regular cone, cup, bowl, as well as serving sizes, small, medium, large. You will also be able to set the amount of time each serving should be dispensed. This is helpful for portion control. Keep in mind that in most instances, this setting will only stop dispensing flavors, display a stop serving message, and play an annoying sound to grab their attention. It will not shut off the dispensing of base product, ice cream, shake, FCB, etc. Some machines can be automatically shut off. This is what we call an automatic dispensing mode. If your machine is equipped with this mechanism and the automatic dispensing mode is enabled, then the touch panel will automatically close the spigot without a warning. The automatic dispensing mode is mentioned later in this tutorial. The first subsetting is the Whitecap Product Purge time setting. This is the amount of time between when the syrup pumps stop and the message is displayed to the user to close the spigot on the machine. During this time, the flavor burst machine is not dispensing any product, but the base product, such as ice cream, is continuing to be dispensed. This is useful for cleaning out the head for the next serving. We call it whitecapping, as it normally leaves a little product at the end of the serving with no syrup. The second subsetting is the automatically fit selections into serving time setting. Let's say that you set your serving size to be 5 seconds long and you set the dispense time per selection to 2 seconds. Additionally, you set your whitecap time to 1 second. The operator of the machine can only select 2 flavor selections. This is because 2 flavor selections would take 4 seconds, 2 seconds for each flavor, and the whitecap would take the additional second for a total serving time of 5 seconds, which is your set limit. If you wish to allow your customers to dispense more flavors within that 5 seconds, you can enable this setting. The touch panel will shrink the length of time each flavor is dispensed so that each selection fits within the overall length of time for that particular serving size. Now you may be wondering what a 5-second serving would look like with 8 flavor selections. Actually, it would be a net of 4 seconds when deducting for the 1 second whitecap. Well, it wouldn't look too good, so you can set the minimum dispense time per flavor selection on the next setting. The user will be prevented from trying to select more selections than what is possible to squeeze into the serving size. The next setting is the Show Serving Prices Prior to Choosing Selections setting. When this is enabled, a screen is displayed showing the serving sizes you have enabled as well as the pricing for each size. We call this the product selection screen since it allows you to choose the type of product if this touch panel controls more than one machine. It also allows you to select the container type you are using as well as the container size. The product selection screen looks something like this. The Always Show Product Selection Screen option allows you to tell the system to always show that screen prior to the flavor selection screen. Normally, the product selection screen will only show if you are dispensing from 2 machines, have more than one container type, or have more than one size. This setting will display that screen regardless of other settings. The Display Predefined Recipes setting allows you to display a button on the flavor selection screen which provides access to your predefined recipes. If you have popular flavor combinations, this is a great way to make things easier for the user and increase efficiency. Display flush button on serving screen is an option that allows the operator to flush the dispensing head with water for a predetermined length of time. Because a container will need to be put under the dispensing head to catch water, it is not recommended that this button be displayed in self-serve environments. Always run injector when serving will ensure the injector always runs when dispensing on machines that use a motorized injector, such as shakes, slushes, soft serve. The injector motor will run even if no flavor selections are made. The injector motor speed option allows you to speed up or slow down the injector motor to suit your needs. Sometimes, if the product is not dispensing out of the freezer very quickly, the injector will tend to whip the product around as it dispenses. Slowing the injector speed will help to eliminate this problem. A better solution, however, is to ensure that your freezer produces a consistent and fast flow of product and that the product is compatible with your freezer.